What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, we're going to be making my loaded peppers. It's a recipe I kind of borrowed from my brother. So let's go on over here and let's get things started. Yeah. Alright, now the first thing that we're going to do is add our ground beef. Just like every other time. Put it in that skillet. Let it brown up and break it up. Using 73 again today. Almost got some 80%. Then I looked at the price tag and said, oh, no way. It was 73. Gotta watch that price, man. Alright, so we're going to stir this up a little bit, and once we've got it kind of broken up, we're going to get over here, and we're going to add our salt and pepper, baby. Put a little flavor in there. Not too much, just enough. We're going to have a lot of other flavors going on with this, so you don't really want to go crazy here. Too many flavors ruin the thing. So, what we're going to do is put a lid on this and let it brown, and then we can go over here and start cutting up our green peppers. Alright, now we're ready to cut up our green peppers. Now what you want to do is you want to get this top part off where the stem is right there, and underneath that there's going to be a little seed deal that you got to pull out. Get all those seeds out of there. You don't want to bite down on an old seed, do you? Alright, so we're going to cut straight down. Try to save as much as you can of this, because you want a big old pepper so you can fill it up, baby, with all that good stuff. You want to take that top off, and you'll see that right in there. Get in with your fingers and pull that sucker out. See what I mean? Just full of seeds. So now, what we're going to do, get rid of that. Take our knife, and we're going to go straight down. Cut straight down. That's why I call these my loaded peppers. See, my brother had a recipe for stuffed peppers, and I thought it was damn good. But I figured I could make them open face, so now I call them loaded peppers. That's drinking and thinking. What we're going to do next, take our knife and just kind of shave off these little nasty parts here, the white part. You want to hollow it out so that you can get everything in there and make a delicious loaded pepper, baby. Like I say, be careful. You want to save as much as you can and kind of try to keep it shaped. That way it'll hold everything in there. That's just about right there. Maybe a little better. We can kind of trim it up a little better than that, but that's pretty good right there. So now we're going to go ahead and set these down in our pan, and we'll go over and finish that meat up, and we'll be ready to load it all in, baby. Okay, now we've got our green peppers right here in our dish. And we can only fit 4 in this dish, but I've actually got 10 that I'm doing today. So we bought 5, you divide 5 by 2, and we get 10. Gonna have to do a little math. First thing we're gonna put in here is cream cheese. Oh, that cream cheese. Gonna give it a nice little creamy layer on the bottom. Once you bite into this, you're gonna have all kinds of different textures going on. It's gonna be wonderful, baby. So what we're gonna do is, you want to take a generous portion of cream cheese and just spread it into your green pepper here. Now it's kind of hard to spread, but just keep working at it and you'll get it in there. Like, it doesn't have to be completely covered, because when you go ahead and bake them, they're gonna melt. So you just want to make sure that it's kind of on both sides like that. And you know, sometimes you got to sing to your food. Somebody taught me that one time, and it makes it taste better. You got to say, cream cheese, you make my day. You go into my loaded pepper. Yeah, see, now it's looking better. All you gotta do is sing to it. We're gonna put that in there right now. I'm gonna show you all how to do one at a time, and then I'll finish the rest. Cream cheese first, okay? Then we'll go over here to our skillet, and we're gonna put our ground beef in. Now you can see it's kind of like a bowl shape right now. Got the edges on it. You just don't want to overfill it, but you want to fill it right up to the top. So once again, we're going to get a generous scoop of ground beef. You may spill a little bit on the side, and that's alright. You're going to make a little bit of a mess, but hell, the bigger the mess, the better the food. And that looks about good to me. Maybe a little more, but on this one we're going to go a little light just to get the idea. Okay, put that back down there for a minute, and we will get our shredded cheese. You know, Velveeta makes this shredded cheese, and I love Velveeta. And this is cheaper than the off-brand, so I'm usually going with this one. We will take our shredded cheese, and we're going to sprinkle just a little bit right there on the top. And now, we're going to get our bacon bits. And there again, I don't use the bacon bits you might find on the old salad bar, but they're real bacon pieces. And I have a hard time keeping my old lady out of these before I make this. I got these about 2 days ago, and it was a full bag then, but it's not now, let me tell you that. But that's alright, that's why I buy the big one. And we're going to top this off with just a few pieces of the bacon bits. You should end up with something that looks just about like that. And my goodness, would you look at that? That looks wonderful, baby. So now we're going to put the rest of these, you know, get them filled out like this one is. And then we're going to stick it in the microwave just long enough to melt the cheese. And then they'll be ready to taste. Let's go and do it. Yep, there they are. My loaded green peppers. Oh my goodness, don't look good. Look at that cheese, cream cheese, shredded cheese, bacon bits. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And you know that I'm going to have me a taste. Alright, baby, the time has come. My loaded green peppers are done. And I'm going to have the first bite for myself. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've been so busy. This is kind of involved. I haven't had time to take a drink or two, you know, like I want to. So I'm going to make up for lost time. Excuse me. Ah, that hit the spot. And speaking of hit the spot, I know this is going to. I'm going to take the first bite for myself. Oh, but look at it. Doesn't it look so good, baby? Oh. Oh. Now that's top shelf. That is top shelf, baby. All the way to the top where you gotta get a step ladder to reach. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure and tune in next week for another episode. Like, subscribe, and watch my other cooking videos right here on YouTube. Also, make sure you head over to Spotify, iTunes, and YouTube and check out my new EP, Resolutions. It's out right now and y'all can jam it. Let me know what you think. Let me know how them stuffed, loaded, whatever you want to call them big old peppers turn out, baby. I love y'all. Have a good one. Peace.